Long time no see. We are here with Niko's Property Show on a different property because it is time to end this channel. We bought 80 acres, 2 houses, and my wife and I and our new baby boy are about to take on this entire new property. We're not 100% sure what's going on because we've got 80 acres. I've never had 80 acres. We've got farmland. We've got so much property that we don't even know what to do on it. We got this 1995 F-150. It is so much fun. We go drifting. We run into corn stalks. We do literally, like I was driving through corn stalk the other day, or silage is what they call it for all the animals that eat it. But this property is absolutely beautiful. It is not a sad moment to say I'm no longer going to be posting on Niko's Property Show, but it's a sweet moment because I got to spend time with all of you online, watching all of our projects. We grew a bunch of different accounts to a lot of different followers, and I'm so grateful for your support. However, it is time to enjoy this beautiful property here. If you just kind of look around, you can see it is so beautiful. We've got one house here behind us that we have the truck parked at, and we're just gonna figure out what to do with it. We've got our personal home that we're gonna be living in down there. That's enough, that's enough. If you wanna see what we're doing there, full remodel, I'm gonna go ahead and just tell you, I can't give you details. You just gotta go watch it. It's on at Hey Brother TV. Beautiful baby boy. Oh, he's stretching.
Yeah. You gotta go harder than that. Oh, there.
Oh. If you want to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, you name it, it is on there. But we've got so much cool stuff that's going to be happening here. I mean, we literally take this truck and just go to town. We're going to clean up this area. We've got to figure out what to do with all the farmland. This is one of those properties where we're just figuring it out along as we go. And so we want you to be a part of that journey. We just actually had our first baby boy. My wife and I, I'm not even sure if y'all knew I got married, but I have a beautiful wife, praise God. A beautiful baby boy, praise God for that. Healthy, mama recovered well, baby's growing so fast, and just life is amazing. So again, I just want to thank y'all. This is not a sad video of, oh, I'm crying because I'm stopping Niko's Property Show. This is an awesome video because we're going to be on Hey Brother TV, and that's where you want to watch us because we're going to be doing awesome stuff. We're going to be literally doing jumps and flips and tricks and you name it. That's what we're doing. And this is the property that we're going to be doing it at. So make sure you follow along. Make sure you follow on every single platform. Full videos already dropping. Episodes on Hey Brother TV on YouTube. Make sure you check it out. And that's it. I'm out.